Bella the bunny got 3 special carrot seeds from her mother. "Bella, my dear," Mama said, with a warm smile, "these are for you. They are your very own responsibility." Bella held the tiny seeds in her paws, her eyes wide with excitement. They felt like tiny promises of something wonderful. "Water them every day," Mama reminded her gently, "and they will grow into big, delicious carrots for you to eat." Bella nodded eagerly, imagining the sweet, crunchy carrots already. She couldn't wait to plant them and watch them grow. It was the start of a very important lesson. But oh, the sun was so bright, and the meadow was filled with so many fun things to do. Bella saw her friends hopping and chasing butterflies. The lure of a good game of hide-and-seek was just too strong. "I'll water my seeds later," she thought, scampering off to join the fun. "Maybe tomorrow, ... Double quotes. The day flew by in a blur of laughter and games. Back in her little garden patch, the 3 precious seeds waited patiently in the dry, thirsty soil, dreaming of a cool drink of water that never came. The sun beat down, and the earth grew harder around them. Right next door, Ben Bunny had a very different routine. Every single morning, before he did anything else, Ben would take his little watering can and give his carrot seeds a good, long drink. He sang a little song as he did it, watching the water soak into the earth. Soon, his dedication paid off. Strong, green sprouts pushed their way through the soil, reaching for the sun. They grew taller and leafier every day. Meanwhile, Bella's seeds had barely managed to poke a few tiny, weak leaves out of the ground. They looked tired and small, compared to Ben's thriving carrot patch. The seasons changed, and a chilly winter wind began to blow through the meadow. The time for harvesting had arrived. Bella went to her garden with a hopeful heart, but what she found was disappointing. Her neglect had resulted in 3 tiny, shriveled carrots. They were barely enough for a single, small meal. Her tummy rumbled with hunger. Across the fence, she watched Ben and his family enjoying a feast. He pulled up big, bright orange carrots, one after another, enough to last them all winter. A feeling of regret washed over Bella. Why didn't my carrots grow like his? She wondered sadly. Seeing Bella's sad face and her tiny harvest, Mama Rabbit came and sat beside her. She didn't scold Bella. Instead, she pointed gently to Ben's garden, then back to Bella's. "Responsibility is a daily promise, my sweet Bella," she explained softly. "It means caring for something every single day, not just when you feel like it or when it's easy." Ben gave his seeds water every morning, and they grew strong. "You forgot your promise, and your seeds couldn't grow without your help." Bella looked at her tiny carrots, then at her mother, and finally understood. Her choices had led to this empty tummy. When spring returned, it brought with it the scent of fresh earth and new beginnings. Mama Rabbit gave Bella another chance with a new set of seeds. This time, Bella was determined to do things differently. She took a calendar and marked each day with a little water drop. To make absolutely sure she wouldn't forget, she placed her little watering can right next to her bed. Now, it would be the first thing she saw when she woke up. Her new morning routine was simple. Wake up, grab the can, and water the seeds. No more later, no more tomorrow. Day after day, Bella kept her promise. She watered her seeds faithfully, even on days she would have rather played. And this time, the magic happened. The sprouts grew into strong, leafy plants, and soon, the tops of huge, orange carrots peeked out of the soil. When harvest day came, Bella pulled and pulled, revealing the most enormous, wonderful carrots she had ever seen. There were so many, she had enough to share with her entire family. As they all crunched on the sweet carrots, Bella beamed with pride. She had finally learned the best lesson of all. When you take care of your responsibilities, they take care of you in return. Taking care of things today means you get to enjoy the rewards tomorrow.